All right, welcome back to the Sooner Challenge. Here's some of the birds. They're still trickling out of the loft. It's real early at 7:20, but it's nice and cool. It rained. We had thunderstorms most of the evening and early morning. It dropped the temperature down probably into the mid 60s, I imagine. It feels real nice, but it'll warm up today and it'll be hot and humid again. It's been really humid lately the last few days. We had one bird that didn't look good in the loft. I took him out the other day. He was kind of labored. It was the day it was 104, but the heat index, the humidity was like 60%, and he ended up dying the next afternoon. I notified the breeder. He's going to send a replacement. It's just part of it. Trying to keep them as healthy as we can. Most of the other birds look good. Just with the weather change and stuff like that, and the stress that they're going through with this heat, I went ahead and put them on a 4-in-1 treatment throughout the whole loft, every compartment. It's an open loft right now anyways. I'm going to get some replacement birds in this week, and that's it. Once that compartment's open, they'll all have free reign of the loft and get settled in pretty nicely, and hopefully start routing and ranging pretty good. Some of them are flying right there. They keep going overhead. Other than that, everything seems to be going pretty good. Hoping to get them all to come out, but they're just trickling out. It's still early. Like I said, it's only about 7:25. Anyways, that's it from the Sooner Challenge. That's the latest update. All right, talk to y'all later.